Hello friends, today we will install full version of Driver Easy easily. So let's get started.
Usually, Driver Easy Pro costs $29.95 per year, but you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety, all software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site. And your Driver Easy Pro is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With Driver Easy Pro, you get the ultimate driver management experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from intelligent driver detection to one-click updates and complete system optimization. Here are the main advantages of Driver Easy Pro. Database of over 8 million drivers. Instantly detect and update all outdated, missing, or broken drivers. One-click update all. Update every driver on your system with a single click, no manual searching needed. Offline scan feature. Detect driver problems even without internet connection. Maximum download speeds. Pro servers deliver drivers at full bandwidth, saving you hours. Driver backup and restore. Automatically backs up drivers before updates with easy rollback option. Intelligent driver matching. Finds exact drivers for your specific hardware configuration. Fix driver conflicts. Automatically resolves conflicts between different driver versions. Hardware detection. Identifies unknown devices and finds appropriate drivers instantly. Schedule automatic scans. Set daily, weekly, or monthly driver checks. Driver uninstall tool. Completely remove old or problematic drivers without traces. System restore points. Creates restore points before each update for maximum safety. Technical toolkit included: system information viewer, network repair, and hardware diagnostics. Direct manufacturer downloads. Gets drivers straight from official sources like NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full Pro version working exactly like the official one.
The Pro version also includes update multiple drivers simultaneously instead of one by one. Access to beta and pre-release drivers for cutting-edge performance. Driver exclusion list to prevent specific updates. Portable driver installer for fixing other PCs. Export driver reports for technical support. Premium customer support with remote assistance option. No daily download limits or speed restrictions. Advanced filtering to show only WHQL certified drivers. You could use the trial version instead, but you'll face frustrating limitations. Manual download only, meaning you click each driver individually. Slow download speeds that turn 5-minute updates into hour-long waits. Limited to 2 driver downloads per day. No automatic backup before updates, risking system crashes. Constant pop-ups asking you to upgrade. No technical support when things go wrong. Or pay $30 every year. That's $150 over 5 years just to maintain your drivers properly. Here's what most people don't realize. Windows Update misses over 60% of available driver updates. Outdated drivers are the #1 cause of system slowdowns, crashes, and hardware failures. Just one outdated graphics driver can cut your gaming performance in half. You can find Driver Easy Pro and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Driver Booster, Driver Genius, Snappy Driver Installer, and more essential tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Driver Easy Pro.